Hello, Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. And I want to share an experience I had a handful of weeks ago that reminded me how resilient we are as a people and a civilization, how we not just survive, but certainly thrive. I live in New York City, and I was here for 9/11. And I found myself a couple weeks ago in the area of where the World Trade Towers were. And I hadn't been down in that specific area for a good number of years. They were still building memorials the last time I was down there. And I was struck as to how incredibly different the whole setting, the whole energy of the place was. The last time I was there, we had to get searched, we had bags checked, there were very narrow lines snaking into the area. Not anymore. Wide open. Come and go as you please. Those amazing cascading fountains that are the footprints of where the towers stood, well, they're complete now, and whatever tangled, twisted metal there was is now replaced by this sleek, bronze-colored framework with the names of the victims etched into it. I have to share with you, listening to the water cascading down, my God, it sounded like a jet engine roar. I do not know if that was premeditated or not. Security, a handful, maybe 6 anti-terrorist police. You can tell by the different guns they have and the uniforms they're wearing. Shops and stores had begun to spring up around the area. There were people there who were not born when this happened. And as I was walking through, I reminded myself, this is a burial ground. This is a sacred burial ground, and yet, look what we do. We build over it, we rebuild, we go on. We bring ourselves back to life. Great reminder, great teaching, and I thought this was an incredible example of that lesson. So I thought I'd share it with you. Have you had moments like that where you realize just all these moments of life happening at the same time? What was that like? Share with us. rapidbodymindclarity.com. Let's connect, shall we? Thanks much. Until next time. Cheers.